Hi guys, so I'm back with yet another saga of my fridge. I'm on the floor right now and I'm just trying to take the back cover off of my fridge because my fridge is making this knocking sound that scares the crap out of me at 2 in the morning or whatever time. And so from what I'm seeing, you have to take this cover off the back here. So I removed, there was 3 small screws, which I removed. Right here. Just these little screws. These come out fairly easy. Now I'm just going to see if I can pry this thing off of here. So I can see how awful it is back there without kinking up this water line. Ugh. Okay, hang on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this and show you at the same time, but I'm going to try and get this water line on. Yes, I'm in my pajamas. Boy, oh boy. Seems that's all I ever wear now. It's winter. I don't want anything to happen to this. It's a braided supply line here that's on here, and I'm just trying to get this last little screw out of here. I'm going to wait and put this little piece on just to hold the crap. There, see, your feet are good for something. So I've unplugged it, so you don't have to worry about me doing anything here. The only thing I'm worried about is this braided supply line because, you know, with water, anything could happen. And, who knows. But the fridge has been making noise for a while, but it's getting worse, where the knocking will go on for, oh my gosh, ever. And so it's like, ah, oh, crap, man, that's sharp. Woo. Yep. So it's been making this noise, and I'm sure that nothing's been done to this fridge in the 4 years that he's been gone. So here I am again with my YouTube friends. And I can't even get this off. Okay, so the piece de la resistance is to see what's behind this thing and to see how bad it is, because it says if the condensing coil is full of dust, that could be what's creating the issue. So I'm going to try and take it off so that you and my YouTube friends can take a look at this and see how bad it is. Because if I can vacuum it, brush it out and see. Let's see. Oh, look at that, people. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. You think there's an issue? Good grief, look at that. All right. So, yeah. Look at this here. Oh. So I think I got an issue there. I got my vacuum out, and I'm going to vacuum it, and wow. Yeah. And over here, this tube